Hey guys, Sackbot Ninja 3 here, and today I'm back with another video. This is most likely going on my Random Arcade channel, but it was just Christmas, and I got some gifts that I want to show y'all and unbox. So, as you know, my main channel, Sackbot Ninja 03, has the word Sackbot in it. This is because Sackbot Ninja 03 was my PlayStation Network username because I always played Little Big Planet. Little Big Planet 2 was out at the time when I made mine, so Sackbot. So Sackbot is what the icon of my channel kind of has been. And yeah. So one thing I did get was a Sackboy here. And it's actually pretty big compared to my hands. So yes, this is pretty awesome. And then the actual, well, I'll show you this. TNT Minecraft mug and some other stuff. But what I really wanted to show you is, I think this is the only Sackbot figurine, not like the single most, because there's like multiple that were made, but I think the only version made by whoever makes these, Little Big Planet or whatever. I mean, I almost don't want to take it out of the box, but I want to. And so I guess this is the Series 2. Talks about the first and second game. Oh man, brings back so much memories from being a child. So, probably sold a long time ago when it came out. And unless you make your own custom one, it's tough to get one of these. So, yeah, it's made out of wood and whatnot. Man. I'm sorry though for all you collectors out there that don't like stuff being out of the box. But I just have to. I have to feel this with my own hands. This is just awesome because it's just been my channel. So, you know, I might have to get scissors for this. But this is awesome, and I just want you guys to know this is a very tough decision. I really didn't want to have to do this. Maybe I didn't need the scissors. But I really want to see this thing as it is. There it is. I don't think they make anything else. I mean, they make Sackboys, but are they hard or soft, you know? Oh, man. It moves its head side to side. All the way around, in fact. It's kind of dusty from being in there for that long. That's insane. It's got the little bolt thing here, and it looks like they put it together exactly like a Sackbot. I mean, do we ever really see the back of one? It's a little weird, but I guess that's what he looks like. He moves his arms back and forth, his legs. This is like awesome. Now they have a new Little Big Planet. It's a Sackboy Big Adventure. I don't know if it's has Sackbots in it, but yeah. They did a great job making this. It's just still so weird seeing it from the back. You don't usually see it from the back. I think you only see this and that. Wow. Alright guys, well, that was, I don't know where to put this thing. Maybe right here. next to Sackboy. It's what I wanted to show you guys. Oh, it's backwards here, but yeah. Anyway, I hope y'all have a great Christmas. I know you already did, so I hope you had one. But yeah, see you guys next time.